I-10 all the way out to San Antonio, shooting on, of course, my iPhone 15 Pro Max, because it gets the maximumist video. And got my kids in the back licking windows. We're gonna go hit up some Bucky's and hit the open road for this guy's trip to enjoy some roller coasters. On the way to San Antonio right now to go to Six Flags, Fiesta, Texas. Enjoying the open road. Gonna be fun. Time to charge up the old Tesla because it doesn't make it all the way to San Antonio on one charge. But we're here at Bucky's, which is basically, if you've never heard of Bucky's before, then you probably live under a rock. But anyway, it's like a giant compound. It's like a cult, really, where all these people worship this beaver and buy the beaver nuggets. But they've got really delicious food in here. So let's go check it out. In case you ever wanted to get a good job, here at Bucky's, they pay you astronomical amounts of money. Car wash manager, $125,000 a year. Like, I'm gonna quit YouTube and wash cars. Welcome to the Church of Bucky. So, as you can see, they have stuff everywhere. You could even get, if you want to know what howdy means, there's a definition there. So, basically, they sell all sorts of Bucky's merch. It's the craziest thing ever. They have everything here. They have pre-made sandwiches, they have fruit, they have salads, they have beef jerky, they make burritos, they have brisket sandwiches. Like, it's insane. They even make their own fudge here. But one thing that you got to get if you come here, I'll show you. Hold on. They have all these sandwiches. I was going to show you, they have, it's actually a cream cheese kolache, but apparently the losers in the bakery, they stopped selling breakfast stuff after, I guess, like 11 o'clock now. It used to be they would sell them all day, so I can't get my cream cheese kolache, but you can get all the other stuff. Here's Senor Bucky with all those children. Really don't want to know how much his grocery bill is or how much child support he pays. So this right here, you have to get some of this. Their root beer is absolutely amazing. Like, seriously, it's amazing. The good stuff. Well, I'm at the second Bucky's of today because I had to detour to the basically northwest side of San Antonio to New Braunfels to fill up my car with battery. Fill up my car. Yeah, so apparently there's like no superchargers in San Antonio. Yeah, you'd think that there would be. I didn't research it before I went because I figured there's like 1 million people in San Antonio, so there's bound to be like some superchargers there. No, there's not. So screw you, San Antonio, for costing me an extra hour and a half today. And my own stupidity, but it's your fault. Settled into our hotel. Life pro tip: if you ever travel anywhere, stay at the Embassy Suites. Now, it's not a plug for them, but what's nice is they always have the couches in the living room that fold out into like a queen-size bed, so you get extra sleeping room there. But they usually have an indoor pool. They have happy hour with free complimentary cocktails and soda and chips and popcorn and stuff from like 5:30 to 7 every day. And fantastic breakfast, which is great because it's included in the price. They make omelets ready to order, pancakes, whatever, whole shebang. So if you've got a family especially, it works out great. Time to go to Fiesta, Texas. All right, time to get on the Iron Rattler. Y'all ready to die? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Iron Rattler. Y'all have any last words? No message for the afterlife? Sound right at all times. Have fun. Nice knowing you. Hold on. I see you made it back alive. How was it? This is the cool little waterfall they have here at Fiesta, Texas. Everything's set up right now for Fright Fest with all the Halloween decorations, jack-o'-lanterns, and all the cool stuff. But they go all out for the scenery around here. Y'all ready to ride the Superman or what?
No.
Superman, huh?
You not ready?
Y'all not ready?
I'm ready.
Y'all not ready for the Man of Steel? Let's do it. Scaredy cat's in the front.
Oh, you're doing Tuesday.
The Man of Steel. Superman time. Y'all ready for this? I hope your seatbelt's on good. You'll be on the news later. So you'll be on the news later. Bye. Yeah. Pretty good? Pretty good?
Yeah.
All right. This is pretty cool in here. The Batman ride. There's this little computer setup. There's two kids that you're never going to see again. It's pretty neat. This is their modern take on the Batmobile. Pretty fancy stuff. I bet my Supra is still faster. Man, this is one heck of a crazy ride. Wow. In case you want to take a train ride around the park, have to check that out later. Nice knowing y'all. I'm gonna go to the exit. There they go. Suckers. All right, what do you think? What do you think about the Batman?
Nah, dude, that was not it. That one was crazy.
You don't want to ride it again?
No.
We could go ride it again. No? All right. All right. We'll take the wuss exit out. Y'all want to take this bus to school or what?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some seats in the back.
Nah.
Nah? All right, let's go ride some more rides. This looks pretty cool right here. This is the Wonder Woman ride. I haven't been to Fiesta, Texas in 12 years, so this is kind of new. But the kids are gonna ride it. What do y'all think of this one?
It looks pretty fun.
You think you tackle this one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it. Good luck. Kyle. Kyle, you ready?
Yeah.
See y'all later. This ride looks crazy. Well, it looks like we're going here next. That one looks pretty crazy. You ready for some drops? Bye, suckers. Nice knowing you.
When I close my eyes, will be less scary.
You just want to know when you're dead. Say cheese.
Goodbye.
And they're gone. How was it? Yeah? How? Y'all ready for the Poltergeist?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Phasmophobia, Arnold.
If you die on this ride, then your soul gets sucked into the roller coaster. You're stuck here forever.
I gotta see that demon like taking his head.
You're sure in a hurry to get to your death. Are y'all scared?
Yeah.
You scared of the Poltergeist? It's pretty crazy in here. Look, the lid flare looks like an evil spirit floating around on the screen.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your ride. When the ride comes to a point,
Creepy stuff right here. It's like an old ghost show or how to get on the roller coaster. These 3 cups of over. Time to go.
okay. Dispatching in 3, 2, 1.
And they're gone. How'd that go?
That one was crazy. That one was fun.
You still have your soul with you?
Yeah.
I'll put my hands up on my
Yeah, they tricked y'all. I guess bro forgot to get off the train. Gully washer. It's a great ride as long as you like getting wet. Poor souls don't know they're gonna get soaked. This is really cool. It's neat because they have the fire that comes out. I guess they press the button, but like the fire will shoot out of it pretty high. You actually feel it. It's crazy. You actually feel how hot it is underneath here. Pretty cool. They have all this steampunk stuff set up for this ride. This ride is neat because you have these planes and they do all these weird loops. Pretty crazy stuff. Y'all have fun on this ride.
Oh, we can't believe that.
Time to go airborne. So this one looks pretty harmless at first, but then it goes very harmful. These are our passengers. It's about time to get airborne now. One crazy ride. What do y'all think so far?
So fun.
Pretty fun.
What's your assessment? Your review for Fiesta, Texas today?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10?
Yeah.
What was your favorite ride?
The Superman or the Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good choices.
Well, what was it called?
The Poltergeist?
Yeah, the Poltergeist one was fun too.
Yeah, Poltergeist is pretty legit.
Walking restraints.
Last ride. Y'all enjoy. That's right. How was it?
That one was good. That was a good one.
Good one?
That was a good way to end the day off.
Six Flags Fiesta Texas adventure is over. What do y'all think?
It was
10 out of
fun.
10.
Yeah. No, 11 out of 10.
Yeah? Y'all want to come back again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next weekend?
No, not next
I won't
weekend.
be here.
Maybe another weekend. Our trip is officially over. Had a good time over at good old Six Flags Fiesta Texas, stopping at half the Buckys in Texas and driving around all over God's green earth with my standard mileage range Tesla Model Y. Anyway, so hopefully I enjoyed that. Hopefully I enjoyed the vlog and got to see some of Six Flags, got to see some of the open road, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more of these vlog style videos, and sound off in the comments, let me know, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here and call it a night. So any questions, comments, all that jazz, of course, go to the comment section, hit the like, subscribe button, or don't, whatever suits your fancy. And as always, thanks for being here. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.